I'm Allie, and welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In this video, I'm going to show you an example to solve a math problem. The method used can be applied to other similar math questions. Okay, let's get started.
Andy arrived at the appointed place to meet his friends. His watch showed 3:15 p.m. His watch was 15 minutes slower. What was the actual time? Write your answer in 12-hour clock. Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? His watch showed 3:15 p.m. We know that the time on Andy's watch was 3:15 p.m. His watch was 15 minutes slower. Do you know what this means? Let's use a clock to demonstrate. For example, this clock shows an actual time of 3 p.m. Now let's move the minute hand 30 minutes back. The clock now shows 2:30 p.m. This is 30 minutes slower than the actual time of 3 p.m. The actual time is also a later time by 30 minutes. Hence, for this question, the actual time is 15 minutes after the time shown on Andy's watch. What was the actual time? The question asks us to find the actual time Andy arrived. Alright, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. His watch showed 3:15 p.m. Let's use a number line to help us solve this problem. First, using a small line, we will mark the time Andy saw on his watch as 3:15 p.m. His watch was 15 minutes slower. Next, we will use another small line to mark the actual time. As we saw in the example earlier, the actual time is 15 minutes after the time shown on Andy's watch. Hence, the actual time will be on the right side of the number line. We know that the difference between the time Andy saw on his watch and the actual time is 15 minutes. Let's label the difference as 15 minutes. Now, do you think we can work out the actual time? Yes. The actual time is 15 minutes after 3:15 p.m. 15 minutes after 3:15 p.m. is 3:30 p.m. Hence, the actual time was 3:30 p.m.
KooBits, engaging the digital kids.